Hi students, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome back to 10th preparatory examination for light and sources of energy lessons. First of all, I would like to say sorry ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿದಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ರಿವಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಿನ್ನೆಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 30 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ 25 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ 25 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮನ್ನು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈಸ್, ಎಸ್, the product or the products released during burning of a candle. Options are chemical energy, heat and light energy or chemical and heat energy. Among the four options, the product or the products released during burning of a candle is. Choose your right answer. Okay, I hope you have answered. Let us go for the next question. Appropriate definition of energy is. Options: capacity to do work, maximum capacity to do work, minimum capacity to do work, energy released during combustion of a substance. Among this, which is the appropriate definition of energy? Okay, this is a very simple question. Hope you all have answered. Yes. Electricity is prepared from the potential energy of water at. Options: thermal power plant, nuclear power reactor, hydro power station, windmill. Electricity is prepared from the potential energy of water at. Choose the right answer among the four options. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and you can write the answer. Let me go for next question. The greenhouse gas released due to the rot of submerged vegetation in the dams is. Option: carbon dioxide, ethane, methane, sulfur dioxide. I repeat the question. The greenhouse gas released due to the rot of submerged vegetation in the dams is. Which gas is being released? Carbon dioxide, ethane, methane, sulfur dioxide. Which is the right answer? Select it. Okay, let us go for next question. Good source of fuel for dairy farmers. Options are cow dung cake, biogas, LPG, firewood. Among four options, which is the good source of fuel for dairy farmers? Firstly, I have given all the questions from sources of energy followed by the light lesson. Next question. Minimum wind speed requirement for working of a windmill is. Options: 15 km per hour, 12 km per hour, 20 km per hour, 25 km per hour. So the minimum wind speed requirement for working of a windmill is. Okay, let us move for next question. If If you want, you can pause and answer. How many solar cells must be connected in series to use a 35-watt electrical appliances? Option 40, 25, 50, 205. How many solar cells must be connected in series to use a 35-watt electrical appliance? Okay, the next question is tidal energy is due to. Options are gravitation of earth, temperature of sun, salts of sea, gravitation of moon. Tidal energy is due to. Among the four options, which is the right one, you have to select it. Yes, the next question. This liquid is evaporated to generate electricity from ocean thermal energy. Options water, ammonia, iodine, petrol. I repeat, this liquid is evaporated to generate electricity from ocean thermal energy. Which is that liquid? Okay, the next question. I'll be a bit fast today. You can pause the question. I don't need to waste your time. Okay? Reason for painting black for the inner surface of a solar cooker. What is the reason? To reflect light, to absorb more heat, to reduce rusting, to converge light rays. What is the reason for painting black for inner surface of solar cooker? Okay, next question. Hydro power stations generate electricity from options potential energy of stored water, electricity is extracted from water, water is converted into steam, kinetic energy of water is converted into potential energy. The question is hydro power stations generate electricity from. The next question. Identify the wrong statement. Options are more planting of plants is essential for clean environment. Gobar gas is produced due to decomposition of animal and domestic waste. Ethane is the main component of gobar gas. Biogas is renewable resource of energy. I repeat the fourth option. Biogas is renewable source of energy. See, among this, which is the wrong statement, you have to find out. Okay, the next question. The suitable focal length of the convex lens used as magnifying lens to read Hallmark 916 written on an ornament is options 12 centimeter, 60 centimeter, 100 centimeter, 120 centimeter. What is the suitable focal length of the convex lens used as a magnifying lens to read the hallmark 916 written on ornament? In the examinations also they have given this question. Yes. Let us move for next question. One of the effect of refraction among the following is I repeat the question. One of the effects of refraction among the following is. Options are formation of image in a mirror, appearance of flowers in different colors, the sky appears blue in color, the pencil immersed in water appears to be bent. You have to choose one of the effects of refraction among the following options. Which is the right answer you have to select? Which is that effect? Okay, let us go for next question. The focal length of a spherical lens is. Options are the distance between optical center and principal focus of the lens, the distance between center of curvature and optical center of the lens, the diameter of the outline of spherical lens, the radius of the outline of spherical lens. Among the four options, the focal length of a spherical lens is. Which is the right one? Which is the focal length of a spherical lens among the following options? Read the options carefully. Next question. Which one of the following materials cannot be used to make a lens? Options: water, glass, plastic, clay. Among the four options, which one of the following materials cannot be used to make a lens? Hope this is a simple question for you. Okay, next question. Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Options: at the principal focus of the lens, at twice the focal length, at infinity, between the optical center of lens and its principal focus. Question is, where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Read the options and choose your right answer. Okay. The next question is, in projectors, which lenses are used? Option: convex lens, concave lens, bipolar lens. Option D, both A and B. That means convex and concave lens. In projectors, which lenses are used? Next question. A ray of light is traveling in a direction perpendicular to the boundary of a parallel glass slab. The ray of light. Options: is refracted towards the normal, is refracted away from the normal, is reflected along the same path, does not get refracted. Read the options carefully. A ray of light is traveling in a direction perpendicular to the boundary of a parallel glass slab. So then the ray of light is. Okay, the next question is, convex lens is also known as. Options: converging lens, diverging lens, radial lens, axial lens. Convex lens is also known as. Among four options, what is the convex lens is also known as? Okay, the next question. Light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point called options: center of curvature, focus, radius of curvature, optical center. I repeat, light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point called. Okay, the next question. If an incident ray passes through the focus, the reflected ray will. Options are: pass through the pole, retrace its path, be parallel to the principal axis, pass through the center of curvature. If an incident ray passes through the focus, the reflected ray will. What is the right answer? Okay, the next question. Today I'm forwarding bit faster. Okay, you can pause it as I told you. Next question. Magnifying power of a concave lens is always lesser than 1, always greater than 1, always equals to 1, can have any value. Magnifying power of a concave lens is. Okay. The next question is, if the magnification produced by a lens has a negative value, the image will be. Options are virtual and inverted, virtual and erect, real and erect, real and inverted. If the magnification produced by a lens has a negative value, the image will be. Choose your right answer. Okay, the next and the last question. A, a ray of light is traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium. While entering the denser medium at the point of incident, it options goes straight into the second medium, bends towards the normal, bends away from the normal, reflect back into the same medium. I repeat the question. A ray of light is traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. While entering the denser medium at the point of incidence, what will happen? You have to choose the right answer. Okay, I hope you have completed. So students, this is all about today's 10th preparatory examination, and tomorrow you'll be having the last preparatory examination. So the concepts will be the leftover lessons, that is the magnetic effect of electric current and also the electricity. So from these two lessons, at least 30 questions I'll try to give for the preparatory examination. Do prepare for these lessons. Okay, all the best, keep studying, and kindly send your answers in the Telegram group.